natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Beauty Forever Hair. Firstly, I wanted to show you everything that came in my packaging.
I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you?
So for the wig that they sent me, I received a 7x5 glueless wig. The texture is water wave, and the length of this wig is a 24-inch. This is their Bye Knots wig, so you can see that the knots already come bleached. The lace comes pre-plucked, and the wig is pretty much ready to go. So all you have to do is install it. It is glueless, so you can attach the elastic band and wear it without applying any glue or any hairspray to adhere the lace down. So you literally can wear it and go. This wig literally takes seconds to minutes to install, so it's very beginner friendly. If you are new to wigs, or if you're someone that just wants something easy to put on that doesn't take a long time, this would be the wig for you. So yeah, y'all, so I did apply my wig. I used bedhead hardhead spray just to adhere the edges, if you will, of the wig down, or the you know, the beginning part of the lace down. I didn't do a whole routine. I just wanted to get the lace to just melt into my skin seamlessly. But again, you do not have to use any hairspray or any glue to wear this wig. You can wear this wig completely glueless, completely hairspray free if you would like. The texture on this hair, I love the water wave texture. It's so pretty. And I love the length. It's a 24-inch. It's very pretty. This is pretty to wear year round, of course, but with the spring weather approaching and the summer weather coming right behind that, or right after that, excuse me, this texture and this wig would be a dream to wear. Plus, again, it's easy. You can wear glueless. It's a 7x5 closure, so y'all know this is like a super easy wig to throw on and off, and all of that. So yeah, y'all, I don't have too much else to say about this wig. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Very beautiful wig, very soft, minimum shedding. I did not receive any snagging or tangling as I was wearing this wig. So if you're interested in this wig or this company, I do have Beauty Forever's details in my description box for you to check out. Tell them Alexa sent you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the footage. So again, Beauty Forever Hair, I want to thank y'all so much for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate y'all. And to my subbies and my viewers, I love y'all so much. Thank you again for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. I'm grateful for y'all so much. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? calling. None of that could